Please raise your right hand. Do you affirm that the testimony you're about to give before the committee will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Let's carry on as though none of this has happened. The vote in favor of retroactive member on this dais of the committee, Democrats and Republicans.
Today was the first day of 4 days of hearings for Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson, who is President Biden's nominee for the Supreme Court. Today was mainly taken up with opening statements from the 11 Republicans and 11 Democrats on the Senate Judiciary Committee, and then at the end of the day with about a 12-minute statement from the nominee herself.
I evaluate the facts, and I interpret and apply the law to the facts of the case before me without fear or favor, consistent with my judicial oath.
And also she talked about being true to the motto on the that's etched into the Supreme Court above the front steps of the Supreme Court, which is equal justice under law. Other things that stood out were that Republicans and Democrats both noted repeatedly the historic nature of this nomination. She is, of course, the first Black woman nominated to the Supreme Court. And, some Republicans made clear that they were going to ask her some pretty pointed questions over the next 2 days, really focused probably mostly on her record on criminal matters, both as a judge for the past 9 years. And before that, she served on the U.S. Sentencing Commission and as an assistant and federal public defender. Democrats, on the other hand, were full of praise and spoke again and again about what they saw as a wonderful development for our country, a Black woman on the precipice of going to the Supreme Court. So for most of the day today, Judge Jackson was surrounded by friends and family, in particular, her husband, Patrick Jackson, who's a surgeon in Washington, and their 2 daughters, one of whom is in high school, the others in college, were there, as were her parents and her in-laws. And when Judge Jackson expressed the support her thanks for the support her husband has given her over the years and her love for him, you could see him wiping away tears as he sat there at what must have been a very proud moment for him.
Good morning. How are you feeling today? Very good, thank you.